Okay, this is Patrick Forster and Dr. Becker checking in, and we're here to give you an update on technology. So recently we've been working on our Google Apps for Education. Google Apps for Education is basically a platform that allows you to use your email, use your calendar. It also has several hundred, if not thousands, of other tools that you can use and utilize. And today we're going to show you how to access those tools and show off a couple good ones that you might be interested in to both help in your classroom as well as in your personal life. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your email. Hopefully we're all very comfortable with that. The next step is to go and access your apps page. Again, you probably should be very familiar with that just because we've gone over the accreditation process, and that's where your Google Drive app lives. So we're going to go up to these 9 little boxes in the top right corner. That's this area right here. And you're going to click on those 9 little boxes. You'll notice that it pops up these different apps. Now, apps is really a fancy word for like your calendar, your Google Mail, your Google Drive, or the website that you may or may not know exists. So again, this is our app page, and we want to add more apps. To do that, you go to your Google Drive. Again, this is where you would go, kind of like the accreditation process, and click on Google Drive. That opens up your Google Drive, and it's here that we can go and discover these new and exciting applications. So to do that, we go to this Create button, click on that once, and you'll notice that we already have several different applications tied to our account. The Google Docs is an application. Google Presentation is an application. These are all kind of like your Microsoft Word, but we want to find more and new apps. So we connect more apps right down here. Click. And now it's pulling up the list of several hundred different applications that we can use with our jfksberlin.org email account. Each one of these applications or tools does a different thing. You'll notice it has things like photo editors, Lucidchart, it makes flowcharts, things like that. AutoCAD over here. Really a pretty diverse range of things that these applications can do. So I want to start off with my geography friends. In the high school, we often use this GeoGebra program, and it exists on most of our computers. Here we can link the GeoGebra program to our email account, so we could literally access it from any device with an internet connection around the world. So say you're interested in that, you scroll your mouse over it, and it gives you a quick little description of what it does and how many people have accessed it and how many people think it's a great product. So today I want to link my email account to GeoGebra so that I can work on it from home or on a beach in Thailand. So to do that, we simply roll down to Connect, and it's going to do a little bit of thinking. When you get to this screen, you simply click OK, and now you'll notice that my GeoGebra program lives on my Google Drive, and I can literally work on it from anywhere in the world. It's simple as that. I'll go over that again with an additional app. So we're going to go back down to Connect More Apps. It pops up this chart that gives you all the different options. There really are hundreds, if not thousands. This Pro Translate's one that interests me because I only speak one language, and sometimes I get a German document. It's nice to have it automatically translated. So today I'm going to connect that to my account as well. So again, we're just going to go Connect, and it's going to think for a second. You click OK, and now it is tied directly to your Google Drive account. The interesting thing with this particular application is it doesn't necessarily show up right away, but it is definitely tied, and it will show up eventually. Just takes a minute or two. Let's explore some other ones that you might be of interest. This PictureMonkey is a good photo editing online program. WeVideo, right here, I just started experimenting with. It's an online video editing program, also very good. And the nice thing is, with our students, now that they're on the jfksberlin.me domain, they have access to these applications as well. So if you wanted to have students work on, a photo or a video or GeoGebra, or mix audio files. These are all options that they have at their disposal as well. It would be a little bit of training on your part to get them up to speed, though. Let's see, there's one other one that I wanted to show. Oh, this mind mapping one might be an interesting one. You can share out a mind map and have kids work on it virtually from any device that's connected to the internet and brainstorm research projects or science experiments or whatever their little hearts desire. So today I want to connect that again, and I'll show you one more time. You simply go down to this connect button. It's going to think for a second, and then you hit OK. And now, again, it all lives right here. All right. So hopefully that's been useful. Dr. Becker and I are going to try and do these technology updates on a semi-regular basis to keep you in the loop with what's going on and to show you the new tools and tricks that are at our fingertips. So have a wonderful day, and feel free to email at help@jf